example, you are using the material A. So now you said like BSX and the WRX, right? Okay. So for example, the same material A, $100, but I gave account assignment category K. Okay. Now what will the accounting entries for goods receipt during goods receipt? Okay. So goods received, just now how you have mentioned, right? Similar way, but this time what will happen? System will get the consumption account. Okay. Consumption account debit means 100 debit, and clear GRIR clearing account. So that is same. GRIR clearing account 100 credit will be there. So this is normal WRX only, but this one system will show you KBS because of account assignment category, but inside it will get from GBB VBR. GBB VBR, because you gave the account assignment category K cost center, right? So based on that configuration, system will get from there. Okay, that's what is going to happen.